They were tested by a single day, the sacred Sabbath. Some obeyed, but others broke the command and faced a terrible fate. This is the story of the hot people of the Sabbath, a nation mentioned in the Qur'an. The people of the Sabbath were a community living by the sea. Allah commanded them to rest on the Sabbath day. The seventh day, a day of worship and no work. On this day, fishing was forbidden. Those who obeyed were blessed, but some decided to trick the command. The sinners set traps before Sabbath began. So on the holy day, fish would get caught in their nets without them working. They thought they could outsmart Allah's rule. But their deceit was seen by Allah. The punishment came swiftly. Their fish turned into dead fish. Their bodies wasted away, and Allah transformed them into monkeys as a warning and humiliation. Allah said, "And we decreed for them in the scripture that whoever kills a soul, unless for a soul or for corruption done in the land, it is as if he had slain mankind entirely. And whoever saves one, it is as if he had saved mankind entirely." Quran 5:32. Their punishment was a lesson for all nations, to obey Allah's commands sincerely. The story of the people of the Sabbath teaches us obedience is better than trickery, and true faith is shown by sincere actions.